We're down the beach after a crazy night of rain and wind, and it looks like out here. Some wonders for my hair. Mussels. I don't know if that was because of last night's weather, but look at this. And this isn't for you either. It's a clump of some other kind of shellfish. No, leave it alone. What's he called? Drop that. No, leave it alone. You. Not everything's a ball. Not everything's a ball and not everything's for you. Come on, let's go this way. Look at you, you're so cute. Last time we had weather like this, and I went to the beach afterwards, there was loads of stuff washed up. There was a giant rope, like really thick, from off of a ship, obviously. Yeah, it was very cool. It led to one of my favourite pictures that I took. But it was so big. This rope was so big, I couldn't pick the whole thing up and drag it home. Partly because it was so long. Partly because it was really heavy, because there was so much of it. I mean, it was like about that, really thick. No rope up here today. Look at that though. Very cool. Very nice out here. And my hair is just looking better and better. And one last thing. We just walked from up here, hang on, down there, all the way along there, then over that set of beach breakers there, that groin there, and then up there, and then along here. And in that time, on the way back, you know, there's that rule, isn't there? You always pick up at least 4 items of plastic. Well, I happen to have one of the dog's poo bags left, so I thought I'd put more than 4 bits in, and this is what I found. So, let's do that. So, you know, it's not like, not loads and loads, but between just 2 groins, that's just 2 beach breakers, that's quite a lot of plastic just washed up. So I should come down here more often and pick more of it up. That's the message to take away for me.